InvestFest 2022.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it and my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, but they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that conjure, the hood call it Luda-yak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions.
My name is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but I'm better known as MG the Mortgage Guy.
No. You went out last night? Y'all kind of quiet. I said, how y'all doing? Yo, man, this is black excellence to the fullest, man. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger. They see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Kelly, back it up, my call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull up. Ask you what you laughing at. Represent that mud life. Dirty money, better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like life. All we do is win. You riding to what? Cause we riding tonight. Now you riding with me cause you wasn't riding. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Heat in the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled. Being sold, Snoopy in the hookie, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them.
This weekend at InvestFest 2022 was enlightening, educational, and black excellence on display. My favorite part was witnessing my brother, MG the Mortgage Guy, in his element. To say I am a proud big sister truly is an understatement. This was definitely one for the record books. If you missed it, just know that you missed out. What Rashad and Troy have built with the entire EYL family is to be applauded. I am thankful to have been in the room amongst such greatness. What I encountered was epic, it was legendary, and it was the biggest ever. Next stop, London. Let's get it, let's go.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind.